Yeah.
It's a red beauty.
It's a cardinal. It's a cardinal. It's gonna go. It's gonna go.
Where'd he go?
Right there across the camera.
What tree? What tree?
One of the tall ones.
This one?
Straight ahead of you as they're going on a little bit. Left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Where? There it goes.
Don't follow me. Where did it go? I hear him. He's still 25 minutes away. Move. What do you think?
What do you think you're recording it for? Zoom out, man. Is that on 100x?
This is 100x.
Oh, there it is 200x.
Wait, what?
200x. I want to see how it looks like.
You won't even see the bird.
Can I just see?
I can't do 100x. I'm on the right.
Look, he's gonna sing.
No, stop. Jen's fucking property.
He's on our property.
Pete.
Yep, if I can possibly get.
Before. There's no other trees.
What? Yeah.
We can't be outside until raccoons. Okay?
Wood.
I need to get his vlog.
Right over us.
Where? Yes, he's staying.
Beauties.
Where'd he go now? He's right here. Hey, God. Hey, beauties. Right over us. Right over us. Did you get your screen?
Yeah.
He's right over me.
Beauties. Beauties.
Cardinal bird. Your camera fucking sucks.
You just scared him.
Where'd he go?
No, he's still here.
Where?
There he is.
Where?
Right there.
Please, please don't go, beauty.
Beauties.
Where did he go now?
There he is. I keep seeing him flying.
Me too. I think he. Oh yeah, he's literally about to go.
Imagine me.
No! Yes! Turkey! Guys, to today, we've got American. Get off Ben's yard.
Beauties. There's another iMac.
Keep an eye on him. Where is he?
Somewhere in this tree.
What? What tree? This one?
What? Oh, beaut.
It's so fat.
Okay, my storage is full. And my screen just reset. I'm done with the bird.
He's on the fence. Bye. Bye, beauty. Oh. Look. Has this been Manny the entire time? Does that person look familiar? Who took that? God damn it.